a property in front of a beautiful park with fountain. And there's a private one road, and this is the house. Okay, this is the fountain and a park, and this is the house. So let's go inside. It has a very nice front patio, and the grass is being cut by the community. They're doing that right now. So you don't have to worry about the grass or sweeping the snow. Here's the beautiful front patio. It's covered. Yeah, and let's come in. There's a doorbell. It has a glass storming door. On the left is the living room with a bay window. It's the dining room with windows to the beautiful park. It's hardwood floor, solid hardwood floor. Over here you can have 3 or 4 seating for the kids to eat. And all stainless appliances, dishwasher, stove, microwave. And then there's a family room that goes to the patio on the back. Again, the community will take care of the grass. There is a closet here, so you could consider this family room, or you can consider this a huge bedroom. If you need a private bedroom, it does have a door that locks. Here is the washer and dryer. It's brand new washer and dryer. It's still wrapped in plastic bags. It's brand new. And then there is a bathroom by the washer and dryer. So we've got a sink. It does not have shower, but just enough for the downstairs. And then we also have a garage here. Two-car garage. Over here you have the hot water tank. It's a newer one. And then we also have a furnace. So the noise is quiet. The noise is outdoor, which is nice. There is a fan for the bathrooms upstairs and downstairs. So now let's go see the upstairs of the house. There's a pantry here for the kitchen. So now let's go to the upstairs. It's also hardwood floor, very beautiful hardwood floor. Okay, this is the master bedroom when you first come upstairs. It has a ceiling fan and lights. Has a beautiful view over the park. You wake up in the morning, you see the quiet street. There is a walk-in closet. Hanging clothes, shoes. The master bedroom has a jacuzzi with a window. It has a shower, double sink, lots of storage, lots of lights, and then there's also a separate room for toilet. This toilet room can be closed when other people are outside brushing their teeth. Beautiful lights. And then outside of the master bedroom are the kids' 2 bedrooms. They're pretty good size. The front is quite large. Ceiling fan. A beautiful view. Again. There's always parking available on the street. And there's a walk-in closet for this room. And then the second, there's a linen closet. And the second bedroom is smaller, but it'll fit a queen size bed, no problem. Lots of storage, ceiling fan. And then the kids share one full bathroom. I do want to show you one more thing. There is a beautiful back, let's go this way. There is a beautiful back patio, and I wonder if the AC is here. Oh yeah, we can go this way. So if you come out of the family room, there's a beautiful patio here in the back door. And then let's go look at the garage again from the back. It's a very quiet neighborhood. And here's the outside of the garage and the outside of the house in the back. This is the AC for this house. It works great. It's gas heater. That's the AC. That's the washer and dryer location. And we're back to the house. It's a separate home all by itself. There's no attached walls with another house. And that's the neighborhood. So I'm gonna show you the videos of the houses. They're all so beautiful.